How to link Facebook page to Messenger. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can link your Facebook page to Messenger. In order to do so, first of all, open your Facebook application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Facebook page. If not, you can tap on the profile icon with 3 horizontal bars on it at the top right, and then here select your page. Tap on the Facebook page at the top to switch to it. Once you have switched to your Facebook page, now here tap on the 3 horizontal bars with the profile icon at the top right, and then here tap on the gear icon. This will take you to your settings page. Once you reach your settings page, here now you will need to find the messaging section. In case if you don't find the option, you may also use the search bar at the top and there type in messaging. Once you type in, you will get the search results below. Here you will need to select this allow people to message your page option, and then inside it, here you will be able to locate a toggle button next to the option allow people to message your page. Ensure this option is turned on. If not, you can simply tap on it to toggle the button on. This setting allows users to send messages to your page through Messenger. Now once after doing this, you will need to now open your Messenger application. Open your Messenger application on your device and then log in with your page credentials in order to link your Facebook page to your Messenger. And once it is linked, you can now manage messages for your page directly within the Messenger application. So by following these steps, you should be able to link your Facebook page to Messenger. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.